Hey everyone, I'm Cameron. I'm with WebHub, and here today I'm going to show you how to use WebHub to create a feature for your web app. Specifically, I'm actually going to create a feature that we need for our website. We need basically a database to store users in an organization, and then also have an API that allows us to create a new user in this database. So let's get going. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so we start off here. We are at the homepage for WebHub. And so let's create a DynamoDB table, ask us what it's for. The database is for users in an organization where records are retrievable using the user's email. And then what we do here is now we use AI to basically generate the schema for this table. Let me just review the schema. Yeah, so we have the partition keys, the email. Yeah, looks good to me. So now we will create the actual table. And so DynamoDB table was successfully created. Let's go verify on the AWS console that it actually was created. And looking at tables. And yeah, it looks like we have users here with the partition key email. So we successfully created it. And now let's go create our API. So now we want to go to API gateway, then ask us what we want this API to do. Let's say handle post requests with a user, email, and organization name, and create a new record in the DynamoDB table. What was the name of it? Users. So we create this. So here's actual code now that it just generated using AI. Yeah, it looks good. And so what we do after this now is once we actually generate this code, we go through and actually basically parse the code and scan it for what other AWS resources the Lambda function is accessing. That way we can create the correct IAM policies with minimum permissions in order for the Lambda function to actually do what we wanted to do. But now let's go verify that our API is actually working. So I'm over here on Postman, put in the URL, it's a post request, and then I need to put in the body, and I believe the parameters from the code generated was email, and then let's do my email, and then organization, do WebHub for that, and let's send this post request. Oh, made a mistake. Parentheses there. So yeah, now it says user created successfully. Let's go back to our DynamoDB table, verify the record is there. And yep, it's right. Explore table items. And yeah, we have successfully created a record here. We have KS Dawson with the organization WebHub. So yeah, thank you guys so much for listening today. And I hope that you'll learn something new that WebHub can do and that you're excited to try out WebHub for yourself to build your company's web apps. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.